Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're gonna be reviewing the KKW Beauty Classic Blossom Collection. I got a few products from this collection, didn't get them all because I'm still broke, can't be buying everything. Sorry Kim, love you, but that's just not the way this is gonna work. I'm going to show you guys how I got this eye look, this lip, and I also got a blush and a lip liner, and I will show you guys how I use all of the products and then give you guys my final thoughts and opinions at the end. But before we get into all of that good stuff, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you be a part of this little kooky family that we're going on over here. So yeah, let's just jump right into this collection and all of the amazing stuff that it includes. For this collection, there was an eyeshadow palette, 3 blushes, 3 lip liners, and I believe 7 lipsticks. I only got the eyeshadow palette, 1 blush, 1 lip liner, and 2 lipsticks. Okay, so if you want to buy the entire Classic Blossom bundle, it's going to be $260 currently. It is still available on her website. As of right now, all of these products I believe are still available, so that's really nice. The lip liners are $12. I only got 1. The Blossom palette is $45, and the blushes are $18 each. And the lipsticks are $18 each, and if you want the entire lipstick set, it will be $144. However, that is actually sold out currently, and it's sold out because there are some really pretty shades in there. So yeah, that is the breakdown of the prices. I'm going to jump into the tutorial portion of the video right now so I can stop rambling on, because you guys are probably tired of hearing my voice. Hope you guys enjoy this. Alrighty guys, so let's get started on today's eye look. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the new KKW eyeshadow palette, Classic Blossom. This is it here. My eyes are already primed. I used my MAC paint pot in the shade Laying Low. Definitely one of my favorite eye primers, and I've been slacking on it recently. With the KKW, it's still that same very nude neutral color for all her packaging, just like the contour kit as well. All of her stuff just has this really nude packaging, so if you're not into it, well, you're out of luck. So this is going to be the beautiful palette here. It's nice and sleek. All of the names are listed on the back, which I'm really not that happy about, because I just want names in the front. Like, I don't know, I'm just slow and I need names in the front, but you know, that's neither here nor there. Open it up, there's like a little film on the mirror, and these are the shades in here. They are really pretty. You do get 10 of these, so that's really nice. And I really like this corner here because I think this is so fall-esque, but then you have these really nice kind of lighter tones over here. So when I saw this, I was definitely like, I need this in my life. I'm not really sure what I'm going to create, but we're gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into these. I do own the other KKW palette, the Mario one that she did, and I did really like the shades and the formula in that palette, so I really hope that with this palette she also kept the same formula. I don't know, I personally think that a lot of her stuff performs really well, so I hope that, you know, this collection doesn't let me down. So let's just jump right into this fun stuff. I'm gonna go and jump into this shade here, which I believe should be called Tree. Not that much kickback, but there's enough for people to be bothered by it, I would say. So that shade was a really nice, muted, light purple, I would say. So this, I think this palette has more of like a purpley blush theme because I guess it's after cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms are kind of, I guess, that color. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, I guess this may not be for you. But a lot of her stuff is really like muted. She doesn't have very like bright, warm, super stuff. So if you're a super warm person, you may not like her products really, because that's just her vibe right now, I guess. So yeah. All right, so for the next shade, I'm going to use this shade here. This one's called Hanami. Guys, this is why I don't like colors, the names of the colors on the back of the palette. I legitimately don't know how to even read it properly. Wow, that's a really pretty shade. I like that a lot. Using the KKW concealer in the shade 12, I am going to cut my crease just a little bit before we go into the shimmers. So now that we have our crease or eyelids cut, oh, there's so many pretty shimmers in here. Although there's only 4, but they're all so pretty. I think I'm gonna mix this shade here and like this shade, maybe this shade in the inner corner. So something with those 3. Okay, so this is what our eyes are looking like right now. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do my usual routine of lashes and all this other stuff on my face off camera because we're only reviewing this stuff in the collection, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the blush and the 2 lip products that I got look like on me. So I'll be back. No, that was not gonna work out. I'll be back. Alrighty, so now that our eyes are basically done, I'm obsessed. I love the way my eyes look. This is super gorgeous. We're gonna jump into the blush. Now this collection did come with 3 blushes. However, 1, I knew that the other 2 shades weren't gonna work for me, and 2, if they weren't gonna work for me, why was I gonna buy them? You know what I mean? So I bought this one, and this one is in the shade Karma. This is supposed to be the deepest one. Again, this is the same packaging as all her other stuff. I love this packaging. I think it's so cute, and it just makes it look just a little bit more expensive and crisp. Like, I don't know, I'm obsessed with her packaging, so that's just my humble opinion. We're gonna go ahead and see how well this performs. And this blush is also amazing because it comes with like a little mirror inside, and this is the shade that I ended up choosing. I actually think that this shade is going to go perfect with like my eye look and my overall look for the day. So I'm really glad that I chose to purchase this shade. I like this color. This is really pretty. And if you're like my complexion and darker, I think this is the blush for you. Because like, look at that. That's so pretty. And honestly, I was saying that this might be sheer, but like, it's not that sheer, and it showed up exactly how much I wanted it to. Oh wow. For lips, I picked up 1 lip liner and 2 of the lipsticks. The lip liner that I picked up is Pink 3, so this is the darkest one. There were 3 lip liners. And then I picked up Pink 2 and Pink 7 for the lipsticks. I'm going to try them both on for you and then pick one that goes best with this look. Again, they have the same like classic glass kind of square look to them, and you turn it out. This is going to be the Pink 2 shade. I thought this was super pretty. And the Pink 7, let me just roll it out so you guys can see it, is going to be this kind of like darker shade. Definitely pick this one because it's fall and I love a dark lip. I thought that was going to be super gorgeous, so that's why I picked this one up. And then Pink 3, I think might be, the Pink 3 lip liner might be kind of a similar shade to the Pink 7 one. So again, it's this nude lip, you know, color, and I think it's a little lighter than it, but it's still really pretty. So let's go ahead and put these on my lips. We're gonna start out with Pink 2 and the Pink 3 lip liner, just because I don't think Pink 7 will need a lip liner, you know? Okay, Okay guys, so this is what Pink 2 is looking like. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Like, I don't think it goes, specifically I don't think it really goes with this eye look and the whole look that I'm going for today. And then it's just too bright right now for me for the fall. I would so rock this in the summer, but I would definitely retire this for the fall because, like, I don't know, it's just like too bright for me unless I definitely paired it with like a darker burgundy liner. Ooh, I think I have one from Kylie Cosmetics that this would probably really go well with. But for right now, like, as much as I like the lip, but I don't, like, I don't know, it's not doing something for me right now. So we're just gonna move on to the next shade. Okay guys, so this is what Pink 7 looks like, and yeah, this is the color that I was expecting it to look like, and it looks amazing. I think that this is the shade that definitely goes the best with the look that I was going for today, and this is super cute, and I like the sheen kind of look that it gives, so it's not like too matte, but it's also kind of sheeny, and it's really hydrating on the lips, so it's not like my lips are gonna like crack up. Alrighty guys, so for my final thoughts and opinions on the KKW Cherry Blossom Collection. Is this worth your money? Personally, if you're buying the whole bundle, it may or may not be worth your money. Like, I don't think everybody can rock everything in there unless you're just that girl that just looks good in every single thing. Maybe you can, and if you have the coins, surely go ahead for it because the whole bundle is like $260, I believe, and I think you still have to pay for shipping. So don't even get me started on that. I think that if you buy individual products from this collection, you definitely will be getting worth your money. It all comes down to whether or not you like this sort of like muted purple blush blossom shades, which is definitely everything that was in this palette. When it comes to quality, her quality is there. I know you may have seen things, you may have heard things from the internet because it's Kim Kardashian. Everybody wants to say stuff about her products. With her shades, specifically like her eyeshadow shades, you do sometimes have to build up the color. However, I don't think that's a bad thing because as we all learned with the, one particular palette, like, it may not always be the best thing to just have too much pigment straight off the bat. So sometimes you do need to be patient and be able to like build up to what you're trying to create. So I definitely do appreciate that about her palettes. I thought all the shades here were super cute. I mean, this side of the palette probably won't really touch too much of, it's because these are all mattes. However, like this shade over like this way, out of 10 shades, I would wear 7 of them regularly. So that's how I feel about the palette. I think it's really great. And if you forgot, you didn't hear me mention this before, the palette is $45. Next, we're moving on to the blush. Loved it. This is now going to be a staple. This blush is super pretty on my skin tone. I think if you're darker, this could also look really good on you. It is just a really pretty blush for the fall. Like, I do really love this. It applied really well. The pigmentation was there, but it wasn't enough to make you look like a clown. So Kim, thank you. This was it. Loved it. Now, moving on to the 3 lip products that I got. This is another part of the collection that I think there were 7 lip products and 3 lip liners. You don't have to get them all. I certainly did not. I only got the products that I thought I was gonna like and were gonna work for me, and I wanted to see what this formula of lipstick was going to be like. I do like the other lipsticks that I've gotten from her, but sometimes with collections, brands change things, and I just wanted to see if she was gonna keep it the same. I definitely think in the future I will be purchasing more of the lipstick shades from this collection. The lip liner was really pretty. I think that I would actually pair this lip liner with the lipstick she had in the Mario collection. I think that those would look really cute together actually, so I will try that out and see how it goes. So I thought the lip liner was great, and it's super creamy, glides on your lips. It's not like rough or anything, so you're not losing any money with this lip liner. And then the two lip shades, the pink 2, after like I was about to like take it off and I dabbed off some before I started taking it off to put on the second lip color, I realized that I actually did really like that shade. It just, I don't know, threw me off a little bit when I first saw it because it is a little bit brighter than I was expecting it to be. And that is a gripe that I think I have with this brand, is that the way they take their pictures for their campaigns is just like so muted and like gray to me, that when you finally get their products in the mail, you're like, oh wow, like this is way brighter or way pigmented than I was like thinking of, and it's just not the shade that I was, you know, thinking of. So that's like my only gripe that I have with this brand. Like I wish they would take pictures that were normal so we could actually see what these colors look like. But other than that, the formula of these lipsticks are amazing. I'm not mad at them. And Pink 7 is definitely about to become a staple in my fall makeup collection. So if you see it in future videos, don't be surprised. I love this color and it's epically amazing. So yeah, that is everything that I have to say on the KKW Beauty Classic Blossom Collection. Let me know what you guys think down below about this look, about any products you got or didn't get from this collection. I would love to hear your opinions on it all. But of course, before this video ends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, like and comment in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.